Hey there, in today's video, we're tackling an interesting problem that you might encounter while working on Microsoft Office apps, particularly Word and Outlook. The issue at hand revolves around finding a whitespace character that these apps would recognize as part of the preceding word. Imagine wanting to highlight or underline the word space, including the actual whitespace, without encompassing any characters that follow it. Now, let's dive into the solution. Unfortunately, there isn't a single whitespace character that fits the bill. However, you can achieve the desired effect by utilizing a two-character pair. By combining a non-breaking space, U plus 00A0, with a 0 with space, U plus 200B, you can effectively incorporate the whitespace into the preceding word. Check out the image taken from a Word document in which this pair was used to underline both the first word and the trailing non-breaking space. As we wrap things up, remember that creativity knows no bounds. Experiment with different techniques and see what works best for your specific needs. And with that, we conclude our exploration of this quirky formatting challenge. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Let's keep the conversation going.